Hey everyone, this is my final project for the CS50 course on Harvard X. I did the web course or the web track towards the end, so I did something on Python and Flask and HTML, CSS, JavaScript in the front end. I did a small BlackJack game because I don't know, I remember like a year ago when I went to the casino for my second time, I wanted to learn blackjack, and I really didn't find any small game on the internet without having to register and everything. So I thought this would be kind of neat. And it's basically, yeah, Python and Flask, some object orientation in the Python programming as well. And what it does is, if you start the game, it's going to ask you for a name. It's going to ask you for a certain amount of chips. And then you just choose play. And then depending on the chips that you bet, like if you place 8, it's going to display those chips here. So blue is 5, red is 1. And it's going to display 2 cards for the dealer, display 2 cards for me, and I don't know, here a random image of a card stack. Then you have the options. You can choose card, hold, or double. I haven't implemented the split option of blackjack. I mean, I did the object-oriented programming, so it shouldn't be too much, but especially visualizing it in the front end, I don't plan on going into web programming after this course. I rather want to do something like AI or some stuff. I want to get into that more. So I didn't want to spend like tons of time on visualizing it. I mean, I've spent too much time on trying to visualize this one anyway. I didn't use Bootstrap or anything. I wanted to just learn and apply things myself. So it's not super pretty, but I try to make it reasonable. One thing that I like to do is Ajax, jQuery, and the stuff, whatever you pronounce it, to not refresh or reload the page or the URL anytime I do something, but to do it within the window itself. But again, not going into web programming, so I didn't really want to spend dozens of hours on learning those things. Anyway, so in action, it just looks like this. You can ask for a card now. So I see I've got 17 now. Dealer's got an ace. Anyway, I'm going to hold. Okay, he's got 19. I got 17. Dealer wins. Now I can play again. This time, let's take 19 chips. So here's 10, 5, and the ones. I've got 19 now. So I'm just going to hold. Yeah, I won. Okay, so it's going to update your chips here. Every time that you want something. I know we can also set 39, so we're gonna see a lot of chips in the middle now. I better win this one. Oh, gonna get a card. Okay, got too much, but I would have lost anyway. So this is basically just blackjack. I'm gonna upload the source code on GitHub, so you can use it however you want. You just need a Flask environment. I programmed this one on Visual Studio Code, because I didn't want to stay in the CS50 provided IDE. Yeah, guess that's it. I just like to say thanks to David Mallon and all the CS50 staff for providing that course online. It's really great to have that kind of free education, and I'll most likely be coming back for more. Maybe the CS50 introduction to artificial intelligence or stuff. Yeah, really enjoyed it, and I hope some of you enjoy playing my blackjack game.